Hello students and welcome to LIT 1820. This is Literature and Translation from 1850 to the present. My name is Jennifer Law-Sullivan. I will be your professor for this course over this short 6-week summer session. And this is just a hello, welcome to the course. First day of class sort of video to let you know how our class will be run. So, okay, if you will just look through this screen with me. So, first things first, how do you get in touch with me? If you look over here where the screen says quick mail, that's the easiest way to reach me instantly. Just click compose new email and that'll send you to the screen where you can email me directly. Please contact me anytime with any questions, concerns about the course. I'm happy to help any way that I can. As far as that goes, there's also my email if you want to just copy and paste that into your email. And then my office, I've listed my office here. I am in O'Dowd 366. Even though we are an online only course, I'd be happy to meet with any of you. If you would like to meet face to face, I'd be happy to do that as well. So we can find a time to get together. If that's something you'd be interested in doing, just let me know. Announcements. This is where I'll post just general announcements about the course. General questions is a forum for you to post your questions that you think might be of interest to the rest of the class. So for instance, if you're not sure how a certain assignment is going to work, or if you have a question about how to handle the journals or something along those lines, general questions is a good place to put your question so that then I can answer it or someone else even from class could answer it. And then you can look at each other's questions and answers. What's up with the study questions is just a little blurb that I put about what is the point of the study questions. And then here is a link to the course syllabus as well. The course syllabus has everything here, but it also talks about things like what are the course objectives, how will the grades be calculated, that sort of thing. So a little bit about how the course will be broken down. I've broken it into weeks, and each week is then separated into two separate sections, the first half of the week and then the second half of the week. So you can see that starting off for this first week of our class, Sunday, May 5th, and then that week ends on May 11th on Saturday, broken down from Sunday to Wednesday with a list of all the tasks to be completed, and then all of the different things that you'll do during that week. And then secondly, the other tasks to be completed in the second half of the week, and the tools that you'll need in order to complete those tasks. So the reason I do this is to sort of treat it as though we were meeting twice a week, and it helps us all stay on track. This is the danger of an online class. It's easy to go, I'm not going to class. I don't need to worry too much about this. I can just do it later. Well, if we've got it broken into chunks during each week, then it just helps us all stay on track, myself included. And then that will stay the same throughout each week, week 1, week 2, etc., all the way down until the final week when we have our last works that we'll be studying by the Spanish playwright Lorca and the French playwright Sartre, and then our final exam, which will be completed by June 25th. So this is how the course is broken down. You can see that there's all different types of activities throughout the semester. We'll have lots of discussion forums. You can tell those by these little conversation blurbs, I guess you would call them, thought bubbles. So we'll do those for every single reading that we do. You'll also have reading quizzes, just to basically, if you've read, you should be able to get 100 on the quiz, just to kind of keep you on track. Then the study questions, there'll be a PowerPoint that accompanies each work as well. And that's pretty much it. You'll also see that we have journals that you'll be doing in groups. So let me see if I can find when the first one is listed. The first journal will be due on May 15th. So before May 15th, by the end of next week, I'll assign you to a group. And the goal for these group writing assignments is to really look at it as a furthering of your discussion with your classmates about the works that we're reading. I know not everyone's a fan of group work, but I really do think it's an important, helpful tool for you to talk together about a particular theme in the novel that we're reading, and then um, dive into that theme together, come up with an idea as to what you think the key response to that theme might be, and then write it up together. So that's the point of the group journals. The group discussions under here, the forums, those are for you to, as I mentioned, just start talking about the works that we're reading. And so I'll ask that you write your own comment, but then also respond to your classmates' comments. So more details about what's expected for those different things can be found in the syllabus. So I encourage you to read that closely as well. Okay, I think that's it for now. The next thing that you will do is go from here to the Who's Who in Lit 1820 forum. It's just an opportunity for us to get to know each other, and then watch the 2 introductory videos, and then the 2 PowerPoints on Romanticism and Naturalism, and then it'll be time to start reading Madame Bovary. Okay, thank you all. Welcome to the course. I look forward to working with you throughout the semester. Thanks.